to de-extinct something would be to bring that evolutionary lineage back into existence, and that would cause a gap where that species was, there's a gap when it isn't, and now that species exists again.
Detikers tahu nggak sih ilmuwan Colossal Biosciences mengklaim berhasil menghidupkan kembali serigala dari yang telah punah lebih dari 10.000 tahun lalu. 3 serigala hasil rekayasa genetika itu bernama Romulus, Remus, dan Halesi. Ketiganya kini berusia 3-6 bulan dengan berat mencapai 80 pon atau 36 kg. Kemiripan genetiknya dengan serigala dayar diklaim mencapai 99,5%. Kok bisa hewan yang punah dihidupkan lagi? Jadi, para ilmuwan ini memeriksa DNA purba dari fosil mulai dari gigi serigala ganas berusia 13.000 tahun di Ohio hingga fragmen tengkorak berusia 72.000 tahun di Idaho. Kemudian, sel darah serigala abu-abu yang masih hidup diambil untuk dimodifikasi secara genetik menggunakan CRISPR, yakni mengedit DNA serigala abu-abu di 20 tempat pada 14 gen.
So de-extinction to us is recreating these phenotypes. So a gray wolf is the closest living relative of the dire wolf. They're genetically really similar, 99.5% similar. And phenotypically, their morphology is also similar, only dire wolves are larger, more muscular, and have these light-colored coats and other things that we can see from the fossils. And so we targeted DNA sequence variants that we believe lead to those traits. And then we edited gray wolf cells to contain those dire wolf DNA variants. And then we cloned those cells and created our dire wolves. You take an egg cell that is ripe, ready to be fertilized, but not yet fertilized. It's similar to when a woman is going to go through IVF, where you take hormones and it makes a lot of egg cells ripen at the same time, and then you take them and then you fertilize them in addition in a lab. But we're not fertilizing them. Instead, we're taking those ripe egg cells and we're taking out the genetic material that would have come from mom, and we're putting in a whole cell that has mom's and dad's genetic material. That's our edited cell, right?
Ahli biologi yang tak terlibat dalam proyek ini juga memberikan komentar nih.
What they've done is use genetic engineering to make a gray wolf superficially resemble a dire wolf, or at least what we think dire wolves might have looked like, because we're not really sure what that is either.